If you feel like you're already failing and it's only Monday, good. That means you're actually doing something. You see, I like Mondays. They feel like a fresh notebook, full of potential and horror, especially when you pick up your pen to start writing, because what if I make a mistake? I can't go back. So even when I'm optimistic, I still catch myself feeling like I've already failed and it's only 12 o'clock. And here's the thing, failure isn't just a sign you're off track. It's usually a sign that you are just on step three of the greater purpose in life, something that leads to something else that works. So try and say this: failure isn't final, it's just the data for the future me. Again, failure isn't final, it's just the data for the future me. So this week, when you mess something up or think you did, zoom out. Picture your future self a year from now. Would you be grateful that you learned this now instead of later? Can you imagine this failure being part of the story that you tell when you finally make it? Because the truth is, this might be the part where your plot twists and things finally get good. So that's your Monday mantra. Go disappoint your perfectionism and make something messy. The future you is watching.